the last of the first batch, and then there's a mini break. I'm excited to introduce this next one. It comes from Compeer. Aside from being a sponsor of this event, Compeer is also a very deep partner of Naturally Minnesota. So we're always excited to see Jason, who does sit on our board, up here on stage. And I would be remiss not to acknowledge that in 2 weeks, Compeer is helping do a thought leadership session for us on Farm Bill 2023 and what it takes to build it and what's going to be in it. So we are excited to have Compeer do that. And I'm excited to have you come talk about data wrangling. Take it away.
Thank you very much. So farmers are hit every day with more and more data. And at Compeer Financial, we rely on a lot of that data. Compeer, as you have heard up here already today, is one of the largest farm credits in the country. We have 144 contiguous counties, and we've got people in every one of them. But we have more farmers, and those farmers are producing data and getting asked for their data all the time. You hear a lot about simplicity already and some of the aggregation services. One of the things we want to do to make it easy for these farmers is ask these questions. We need some answers. How can we support farming and agribusiness of the future with the onslaught of technology and data coming their way all the time? Can you have a holistic understanding of data so that it can help the farm become more efficient, more profitable, and as coordinated as possible? There's a lot of words on this screen, but I'll tell you what it means. A farmer doesn't typically want to be sitting on his laptop every day. He wants to be out there farming. The field walk used to be how you collected all that data. Now you have sensors. Now you have automated tractors, automated everything, swarms of drones coming your way. This is only going to increase. And the amount of data that's going to be coming towards the farms operations as they grow, especially large growth oriented farms and operations, is going to be changing, and not in a way that people are typically prepared for. So I think this question provides a lot of opportunity. Provides opportunity for the lenders because we'll have a better understanding of how prepared they are for this coming technology. It creates an opportunity for off-farm jobs that relate to agriculture. And one of the big questions is, how do we keep next generations involved? How do we create opportunities for rural America with out and around these farms that are not necessarily on-farm production jobs? And how do we make things come together in a way that doesn't rely on one manufacturer or one farm management program or one lender set of data that's required, but something that can be customized for each farm? What's important in our request and our pitch is that somebody can come together with a flexible understanding of what it takes to run a micro client. This is not an easy question. If there's this much data and you have a client who needs a very specific thing for them, how are you going to create a solution that makes it feel very personalized? Because it will be. Every farmer will tell you there is no one same farm, no one same region, no one same microculture of what they're trying to produce. How can you help us organize that data that really services that individual farm and farmer and operation?